in the 2017 CX-3. The CX-3 is a fun and feisty roundabout with outstanding performance, style, and sophistication that outstrips the competition. The CX-3 subcompact crossover delivers unmatched driving dynamics right alongside outstanding fuel economy. It's the driving experience totally redefined and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.